Hello everyone. Today I am discussing Indian polity by Lakshmikant. What is its importance in prelims and mains, and also how to read, and how to revise, how to add current affairs, how to make notes. So before going to this discussion, if you see this slide from 2013 to 2020, here is questions from polity. We can expect more than 10 marks, uh, 10 to 15 or above. It means that one fifth of marks come from Indian polity. We are discussing today four topics. First one is how to read M. Lakshmikant book, how to make notes, how to revise this book, how to add current affairs to this book. First question is how to read this book. So many aspirants feels this book is very bulky. It is right. It is bulky, but you do not to by heart whole book. Here is some tips. It may help you. Before going to read, you should know syllabus and previous year's questions. Definitely, you should know. You should by heart syllabus and previous year's question, not the book. Also, important topics of prelims. The important topics of prelims, when you solve the previous year's questions, then you can identify. And then there is no need to buy heart this book. Don't buy too many books and new editions. And if any another book or edition is released in market, then don't buy that book. If you have one book of Lakshmikant, add chapters, new chapters from new editions. Which chapters add to new editions? And then don't get panic. It is very easy to read this book. I will share my experience and I will say how to read this. If you are beginner, then read first easy topics, not which are very difficult to understand, like preamble, like other topics. I am saying one example how to read this book. Pick up first easy topics. There is central government in part 3 and state government is in part 4 and local government is part 5. If you're reading central government, link that part with state government part 4. For example, if you read president in central government and connect that president topic to governor topic, like qualification, oath and condition, power and functions, and impeachment and vacancy and election. Similar topics link like this. If you read president and governor, don't if you completed a president topic, don't read again governor. Which topics are similar? You should know the difference between president and governor when you read these topics with connected or interlink these topics. So interlink these topics is key in this book. If you read like this, you may read only one part in and follow these methods. For what I said before, a similar link of similar topics. President and Chief Minister, Central Council of Ministers, State Council of Ministers, Supreme Court, High Court. There is difference definitely. There is difference in articles in some one to functions or powers, not overall thing. Parliament and state legislature. Make a notes on constitutional body and non-constitutional body. If you are preparing constitutional body, make a single A4 sheet paper. That's it. Don't write too many papers on constitutional body. For example, Election Commission, UPSC, and Finance Commission, Attorney General. If you're reading constitutional body, Election Commission, after that, reading the Election Commission of India, read State Election Commission. Then interlink these two topics and identify differences and what are the similar qualities. Then it will be easy to read. And also you can answer the difference between Election Commission of India and State Election Commission of India if we ask question in prelims. As like UPSC, State Public Service Commission. So first read like this, interlink these topics. And next important thing is how to make notes. It is very important. Before prelims examination, you should revise the book, whole book in 1 or 2 hours. I found three types of making notes from toppers interviews or my own experience. There is three types of making notes. First one is the first type of people, they do not make notes. They underline the words or lines or highlight the lines or words. They may use three or two types of different colors pens or highlighters. The second method is make your own notes. They will make own notes by their hand. As said, but don't copy Lakshmikant book again. They minimize the book in 80 to 100 pages. The third method is take a coaching center, any coaching center, not what you feel the best coaching center. Their printed material of the polity book. In that book, they definitely, any coaching center, they definitely cover 70 to 75% of the syllabus and matter which is in Lakshmikanta. If you feel there is some lackness in the matter and there is missed topics in this, then if you feel, then add the topics to your coaching printed material or information or anything. But don't again buy Lakshmikant book. Add the topics. That is third method. Third method is very easy to, if you compare one and two methods. Why? Because third method 70 to 75 syllabus is already covered by the coaching centers, so you may not to write again. So the only work is what is remaining 25% is balancing. So if you cover that, it will be easy to you. Here is I am showing first method is first picture, second method is second picture, third method is third picture. In first method, they underline, they mark with highlighters. These type of people will not make any notes. Before examination, they also revise what they highlight. In second picture, they write their own notes by their hands. They revise this type, not Lakshmikant. In third picture, any coaching center, not GS Core, any coaching center material, if you get, add remaining chapters or which information is missed by coaching center, add from information from Lakshmikant book. So three types of making. And last one is current affairs. How to add current affairs? If you are reading any newspaper, Hindu or Indian Express, daily update what is in news, but don't add everything what is in news, like articles, like others functions, like Vijay IAS or Vajiram Ravi, anything. They segregate the matter like president and governor, like that, central government and state government differently. Then you may add automatically, but don't add everything what is mentioned in magazine or newspaper. So this is, then please comment. I will definitely answer to your comment. Thank you for watching.